Hello guys, we're on board the Carnival Mardi Gras and we're just reaching our room. We're in room 14340. It's actually a balcony room, and when you first enter, you have a little switch here that keeps your lights on. You have your bathroom, shelves. It's a little tight, it's a little small, but it's nice. Light switch, hooks to hang up stuff, nice art. You have these nice little lights here for reading, a sofa. Down here you have your refrigerator. Nice little refrigerator. You have storage, your dryer. In here, you have your closet, a lot of shelves, a lot of hangers. You have this nice big mirror here. You have several outlets. So you have European, you have USB, and American. And then you have a little seat there. Inside that is storage and also works as a tray. And it's we're celebrating my husband's birthday, so I got a little decoration for him. Nice king size bed. Oh, I can't open it right now. All right. So that's it, guys. That's our room tour for today. Carnival Mardi Gras, balcony room. Oh, let me show you the television. Nice big size television. And you see it has our names on it already. And I'll show you guys the balcony later once we get close to the front door. So I'll see you when I see you.